Sorry guys, I guess the longer I video, it ends up going out. Be back.
They're not gonna come that fast. So this is part 2 on the YouTube channel. Big Chungus is back. Thank you for coming back. I think her phone just overheated and it just cut the live off. There was a fan going on it, but I don't know.
Maybe it's not strong enough. But I'm still cooking the risotto. It takes a while for it to start getting a little darker. But it's getting there. So what I'm going to do is add some white wine.
Yeah, we didn't miss too much.
Because I'm still cooking it. The risotto. I just had to switch the eyes so that it won't be so close to the camera.
Okay, that's good. We got everybody back.
Thanks for coming back.
I don't have my phone. My phone is over there.
That will fit another thing, but you need to see. There it is. It's doing what I needed to do. So I'm going to let this cook down so. That was white wine.
Break it down some. There you go. You smell good. We're throwing a tantrum.
He ate it so fast.
Lady Babe said, is that the same risotto she sent you?
Yes, the same name.
Chef Baby said, what kind of wine is that? It's Oakley. Oakley.
Yeah, this is cheap wine.
Something. Yeah, Oakley.
Pinot
Big Chungy said, I feel tall in this camera. I never get to see from up here.
Now I'm adding the stock.
Thank you, Babe. And thank you for coming back, Ash Pash. Still
Thank
lurking.
you all for coming back. So now I just have to cook this down. Constantly stir it.
Mama Vic didn't use the oven mitt.
It's sizzling. Guess I will now. 'Cause that burnt my hands. Got that?
Yep. They still bubbling.
Perfectly color with the color on it.
Miss Chef Baby said that crust on the meatballs. Big Chungus said,
They're swelling up now, you guys. It still takes a while to cook. Y'all, I have to go to work at 7 o'clock on a Monday. I don't like that.
y'all got another meeting?
Yes.
For what? To tell them something that they can
Tell
send
us
out in the
something that we
email?
ain't gonna wanna do.
They can send that stuff out in the email.
No, what they trying to do is get our input. They gonna tell us what we're gonna do, but they want to get our input and say you're gonna do it anyway. Some of us don't even read emails. Don't have time to.
I have no choice but to read my emails. I always love and said, you gotta love those meetings that can be in an email. Sarcasm.
Yeah, it takes like 30 minutes.
They better use Zoom like everybody else.
Take 30 minutes to do this meeting. Not even 30 minutes. But they want me to get out of my bed a whole hour early. Try meatball?
Yes.
Oh, Lord. I know where you going.
What happened?
Go outside.
Oh.
Oh, I see it. I thought we ate that onion.
Well.
No, it's it.
Taste test for Sister Vape. About to burn myself. Y'all, that look good, don't it? And she gave me my spoon. That spoon came with my my spicy noodles, and I see that we hit 10 views. So now I gotta do the volcano challenge.
Uh-oh, guys.
I ain't scared. I ain't scared.
We're going to see how long it takes her. Where is it?
It's the volcano noodles. We had them at the farmer's market.
Okay, since we met those 10 views, Sister Vape is going to do this, which is Courtney.
We'll do that in the next video.
She's going to do this in the next video. If anyone would like to challenge her on that and see how long it takes you to eat it, we can throw that in there.
I ain't scared. I always lost and said I hated driving an hour. One just to sit in the meeting for 30 minutes just to drive all the way back home.
Oh, if I had to come back home, guess what? That'll be my day right there.
Oh, the meatballs are good too. I broke it up. Vape, you never had those. That was the first time we ever got that one. The volcano. I eat hot stuff all the time, so I don't think it'll be that much of a difference.
Anybody want to go in with her? We can do it side by side.
Can you guest people on here? Like do split screen and have somebody on here and talk to them?
I don't know. Any of you guys know anything about that?
Yep, those are hotter vape. I seen Nicocado Avocado have those.
With the avocado, the volcano ones.
Mm-hmm. He was sweating and crying, then he be flicking that sauce in his eye every time. But he put cheese in his. I always lost and said, look, I'm East Indian and we don't play around with spices, but those noodles.
Does anybody want to go in on the challenge? Going once?
Babe said I'll never eat those for sure. He couldn't take the other bag, the regular ones. Mm-hmm. I eat those for dinner like it's nothing.
Going twice?
Lady Babe said nope.
Well, it looks like you on your own.
I ain't scared. I was lost and said we can do maybe a Zoom call with whoever challenges.
Nobody want to do it. I don't eat hot stuff like that.
Yeah, they're too hot. Always Lawling said that. So y'all tried those before? The volcano ones? So I had the regular black bag and the times 2, and then we had the pink bag before, the mala ones.
You know what you forgot to do? I had the picture.
Picture of what?
On my on the channel.
I do it every time.
Ooh.
For Instagram, right?
For this one. For Twitch.
We can just do it on this one.
Huh? Add for
the thumbnail.
no.
Right? I don't know what you're talking about.
The picture, I don't have a picture up on Twitch.
Oh, I see what you're saying. There's some comments. Hold on. Vape said y'all should watch the video of Mama Vape eating those noodles. She was about to fall out. Always Lawling said he had it.
I had to eat the other ones real fast. Because if I slowed down, I wouldn't have finished it.
Big Chungus said, I doubt you can get them in the UK.
Somebody else outbidded me again?
Yeah.
Chef! Chef baby! What are you bidding on?
I don't see her.
Chef baby! What are you bidding on?
She said, ma'am. She said, you told me to stop, LOL. So that was somebody else that got you.
What number was it?
5 something.
Oh, I think that's my half card.
But always Lawson said I didn't realize what I bought, and I just made a pack and ate it. And I was like, nope.
See, guys, it's swelling. I don't have that many in here like I did last time. Let me cover these up.
They so good.
Oh, you got another? Okay.
Yes.
She looked at me. I was taking her plate. She gave me that side eye.
Always Lawson said your whole body shut down because it's so hot.
You guys can check us out on BestFamilyTV on Yahoo. One of those videos is
Yahoo.
I mean on YouTube. I'm sorry.
I thought you done made another account talking about something else.
No.